Hello everyone! Are you ready for another hit fresh from the Song Activity Factory? Here, we believe in the power of songs to teach English. And we hope you enjoy this experience. This lesson plan was made for teaching with Zoom features like breakout rooms, chat box, screen sharing, etc. However, it can be modified for face-to-face classes as well. Subscribe for more innovative, useful and creative ideas for song activities. And now, Sine from above Lady Gaga and Elton John. Detailed PDF instructions and answers in the video description. Step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1, 5 minutes. Show the first slide with the two images. Ask students to imagine the connection between them and write their ideas in the chat box. Step 2, 5 minutes. Have students read their ideas, comment on them and correct the mistakes. Step 3, 8 minutes. Students listen to the song, Sine from above, Lady Gaga and Elton John. As they listen, they should take notes of what words or ideas from the song connect with the pictures in the last exercise. Step 4, 10 minutes. Individual task. Students write a paragraph explaining the connection between the images and the words or ideas from the song in 10 to 15 words. Step 5, 10 minutes. In pairs, breakout rooms, students read their paragraphs to each other and mix their ideas to make a short narrative. Step 6, 7 to 10 minutes. Share the link to the collaborative Google Doc, with the designated working space, for the pairs to write their narratives. Step 7, 5 minutes. Students read their narratives. Highlight the mistakes in their texts, but do not correct them now. Assign the correction as homework. Step 8, 10 minutes. Share the link to the interactive worksheet with the lyrics. Students listen to the song and choose the right words. Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe, like and share. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.